where they go, then a completed video, not look for them. They go there and they go the jogodo. They go there, go the jogodo, a married woman. Hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you. God bless you. My beautiful people in the house, my gallant people. Today's topic now about one man and one woman. I never, that is it. Since when I don't say they do this social media, I never see this kind of topic before. Where they say a married man and a married woman. This man a married man with another wife, not be this woman. This woman too, na see married man, the husband they house. He can't follow this married man. They go hotel. I don't know where they go. Then a completed video. I don't look for them. They go there and they go the jogodo. They go there, go the jogodo, a married woman. You go the jogodo another married man. As the jogodo am now something can't happen. The man now come. I don't understand. After the jogodo finish, he say whether I want to go clean up, I don't know. Now the man begin to do like cool up me. The man come they do like no know where conversion go children now. The man begin to do like that. The man begin to vomit some kind things come out for mouth. The man not come dey okay again. Me not come understand what he can dey like. What he can make the man come they do like that. Nobody know. You know. So when I see the video, I shocked her. I say, which kind thing be this one? This man they okay or that what? So they begin to ask the woman question. The woman saying they fear me. They not put her for social media. You know. I was like, are you kidding me right now? Now people like you, they're supposed to put for social media. People like you support this social media. Because I don't see the reason what it will make you even go the jogodo or another man where your husband there's. Your husband cassava not they reach you or that what? Me, I don't understand. Your husband cassava, you know they reach you. So women now do na body really. Una if you yak matter for una body. Because me don't see the reason we go make you go the jogodo another man where your husband there's. Like seriously? So women as in I don't understand. What did they do now? Okay, then they ask that question and they say they don't put that for social media. Are you kidding me? You must, people like you know this social media, or my at all, it never complete. People like you supposed money for social media. They're supposed to publish you. Make them look shameless woman. Where people say not the shame. Your husband they house. You they go the jogo do another man. She be as your video your picture don't fall everywhere and you like. If you give yourself respect, you'll fall victim for this kind of thing. Now the man, I mean not understand what going to happen to that one now. If they do like good up meme, if they do like one meme, instead they will carry the man go hospital, they say they interview them, they ask the woman question. That will not be the most important thing now. The most important thing is to carry the man go hospital. That be the most important thing now. Not be to the con they ask the woman many questions. I just, that is it. So women, I don't understand them really. I don't understand them now. What it will even make you now go the jogodo another man? Your husband cassava not the reach you again or be me. I don't understand some women. Your husband cassava not the reach you. We be saying na married man I can't do your eye. I could just put the video more and listen to the woman voice, which is they talk. Whether they ask a question. He say he don't know what happen to the man. He don't know. He don't know what happen to the man. No. You don't know what happen to the man. Now me can't know. Some women as in sometimes I wonder if they are okay or I get what they wrong with them. I'm not going to show the picture. I'm not going to show the video because the way the man be. They're not show that kind of thing. You know, like more than they listen.
I better come. Yeah.
Because there are some kind video not show. But anybody will need that
He
people
go
can help
hotel
them
with
say that give
one.
her
I
but
beg. Stay
not
there,
show
stay
the
there.
You
video.
want to make us crazy. You make them see.
Which is not the like all those kind of video.
Nah, they promise you.
So now me can't do the man. I do bad.
You want me there, Risa? You know, stay
So
there.
they try.
Go down. Police, police dey here, soldier dey here, lawyer dey here. See am. Wait, I beg, see am.
In get your
Tell us
husband.
wetin happen. Stay there, stay there.
One of the shame.
Na police dey here, so. See lawyer, see soldier.
And it's my boy, so you just do.
I beg, see, come. We are not forcing you to say anything.
This guy here.
The question they
We
ask.
just want to protect you.
Say nothing but the truth.
We want to protect you and protect the hotel. We are not forcing you to say anything. You understand? Now tell us wetin happen. Okay, now this man, na he call you, abi na you call am?
Now you call me. Now you use phone call me. I say I dey see my wife. So I say I dey use it.
Okay.
And come and go enter market, go buy something. He say ma come. You first come. He say he there for that place. I say I never know the place. So
Okay.
as you call me, so what I can't come again. I say okay now I leave here. Come and tap but tell my children to stay away from me. I dey come.
Okay.
So as I come, now you me and him one stay. Now I can't take this one and say. Make the carry and me enter inside. I say no, let us stay here so that please go touch her. He say no, me stay here. Me I think say like this, but now you can't take me inside.
Okay. He carry you go inside room.
Yes.
Okay, as una reach inside room, wetin una do for inside room, e no concern me. But the only thing me I know be say una enter inside room.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. So as una
So
come
they
enter
enter
inside room,
inside
how come the condition be like this?
Me I don't know. I even get surprised with your come didn't make me.
Okay, you come dey vomit for
Like
inside
me
room.
even run, come meet this man. Say, come help me. See.
First and foremost,
The
let
place where
us
you
arrange for this
See
man.
where they even they give
All this
people
men to an
very dirty.
Now the place where they come water. Now once I wait do by the I say I wait to
This
do
one
this
is
man.
delayed. Delay
Now I
is
run go
dangerous.
meet him. I say what's happen
I know
now?
what we are doing.
From there now I push him
You are
inside
not
bed.
doctors here.
Finish.
Take him to an
I
hospital.
found one call this man. Now this man say my help and bear am clothes. We come back finish. What is?
Let him go to the hospital.
Now the man where go. Now
The question me I want to ask you now, I beg, just talk the truth and nothing but the
I
truth.
cannot lie.
Okay,
I get my own.
una make love before this man fall. Una fuck before he fall.
Say the truth, we are men here. Nothing but the truth, say it.
So I can lie.
Should be say he fall. Should you say
Yes, where you bathing?
you bad?
Yes, where you remove what you want go forward. They say you feeling it.
You can't go fuck you.
No, you don't. Me and him, we don't just finish.
You are crazy. The same thing we are asking.
Una don't do.
Me and him.
Which is una don't fuck finish
Yes.
before he fall, like
Yes.
before he go bath, now he fall.
Yes.
Which is una fuck finish, he can't go bathroom, go bath,
Go
now he
bath.
fall from there.
Knife.
You can't carry come here like this, they can't dey pour water put for your body, shey?
Yeah, you don't bath. Now inside bedroom where him bath. Maybe you wear clothes now.
Una dey hear my people. This woman, he downstairs pass Joromi. After the dog do finish, na the man say wan go pour water for body. Now he begin dey do like this thing though. Come dey do like this. This thing though. Leprosy. I don't know what I want call her. Now they come they ask the woman now say. She now they say no what happen to the man. My dear, you don't put yourself for one chance. So when I remember one girl that time, where Jogodo one big man with the man come the man don't still get up again, the man come that one come up with me. When I remember now, and almost the same thing and every day happen. So this one, why this one all come critical be say she na married woman. She even use that man talk and say I get my own husband. You will get your own husband, you want go jogo do another man. Are you kidding me? Because your husband cassava as in you know bam rich or you know they satisfy you. Me, I don't understand some women really. I don't understand some women. I don't know what they worry now. Eh? What do they worry some women? I don't understand. Because I don't know the reason what it go make you now begin the one jogodo another man where your husband they ask. I don't know. Some women are like, sometimes I wonder if wetin dey happen for social media una no dey see am, una no dey watch am. I know say many of una no dey really dey watch am because e no really like easy for internet, you know. But I go dey surprise wetin dey happen to some women. Really, you go get husband, you go dey go do another man. Are you kidding me? So we see shame and disgrace wey you put for your body now. Shame and disgrace na be this one, my darling people. So anything wey you think about this video, if this woman do well, you no do well, I believe your comment for the comment section. I want to see your opinion about this matter, because I don't know why some women really they give their self disgrace. I don't know. My people. So thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remain your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed before, thank you. So bye everybody, bye. And anything you think, I beg, leave your comments. Your comments is very, very important. Your opinion is very, very important in this matter. Thank you, and always put thumbs up for me anytime you watch my video. Please, not that one. Now go sit to the help me. One of the help me to share and give everybody. Maybe they watch, maybe they see what they happen for the world, you know. Share them, because now I say this video, it they help some people. Some people they will be say they want to go wrong before, but they can't see what you talk and what they happen. Many of them can't see pick one or two cents inside. Thank you. Bye.